Today, we're diving deep into HandBrake, one of the most popular open-source video converters available today. If you're looking for a powerful tool to transcode videos for nearly any format to a selection of widely supported codecs, HandBrake is definitely worth checking out. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and best of all, it's completely free. The interface is simple yet functional, though it may feel a bit outdated compared to more modern software. However, it's incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. You can convert files to MP4, MKV, and WEBM formats, and it offers various presets to make things easier for beginners. From high-quality conversions to fast processing for web uploads, there's something for everyone. HandBrake also offers a rich array of customization options. You can fine-tune encoding settings, add subtitles, adjust frame rates, and even improve video quality through filters. However, this high level of customization can be overwhelming if you're new to the world of video transcoding. The learning curve is real, but the results are worth the effort. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the standout features of HandBrake is its ability to reduce file sizes without sacrificing too much quality. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to save space or upload videos online without lengthy processing times. Additionally, it's great for ripping DVDs and Blu-rays, but keep in mind that it can't handle commercial DVDs protected by copy protection. On the downside, HandBrake doesn't support batch processing as efficiently as some paid alternatives. It's also somewhat limited in format support compared to premium tools. Nevertheless, if you're looking for a high-quality, free, and open-source option, HandBrake does the job remarkably well. Overall, HandBrake is a fantastic choice for those who want powerful video conversion tools without breaking the bank. It's not perfect, but its strong customization options and high-quality output make it a go-to for many users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more honest reviews like this.